Before we do that, we're actually going to customize our dashboard a bit. So we're now going to add in that logo that we just created. So let's go back to the agency view. So if you click on the top left where your name is, and then it says switch to agency view, and then you're going to want to click down in the settings tab at the very bottom. You're going to want to go down to the company tab and then upload that longer logo that we created before. So click on company and upload. This is not going to be the 500 by 500 icon. This is going to be the other one. And there we go. You see how perfectly it just fits in that corner? Great. Obviously, if you guys want to change the colors later on, you definitely can do that. You just have to re-upload the photo. All right, so now you're going to want to go back to my profile, and then we're going to change that photo. So on that personal logo, we're going to put in that 500 by 500 photo. Awesome. And then make sure you click on update profile. And then if you were to look at the top right corner of your screen, you can see that the logo changed.